Hey folks, we're going to be using NASA's Eyes on Exoplanets online database to learn more about some of these exoplanets that we've been studying for this performance task. So in order to get started, when you open up, you're going to have this little Did You Know factoid box. Go ahead and click Explore Now. It's just going to close out of that and let you start poking around. In order to find the 3 exoplanets that you are focusing on, you're going to click on the magnifying glass in the top right-hand corner, then type in the name of the exoplanet that you are looking for more information about. I'm going to do Kepler 186f. So type in the name of the exoplanet, then click on it, and it's going to take you there through the galaxy into a different galaxy. So this is showing us Kepler 186f. If we want to view the whole system, as in the solar system, so that we can fill out our data table, it is part of the Kepler 186 solar system. The solar system name is just the name of the particular star that the planet orbits around. So Kepler 186f orbits around the star Kepler 186. So that's our planet name and our solar system name. So now I'm going to come back to the planet. Here's Kepler 186f again. Not sure why it's not showing, but that's okay. In order to find travel time information for this planet, down in the lower left-hand corner, you're going to click on the plus sign. It's going to show you a bunch of information about the planet, including the size of its orbit, how long it takes to orbit its star, the shape of its orbit or its eccentricity. It's also going to make some comparisons to our Earth and our Sun. Then if we keep scrolling down, we find the travel time. This is kind of fun because you can choose how you want to travel to this planet. If you want to travel by auto, by bullet train, and you can see that if you change your mode of travel, your travel speed changes as well as your travel time. So if I wanted to take a Voyager, a spacecraft, to this planet, I would be traveling at 38,000 miles per hour, and it would take me 10 million years to get there. If we travel at light speed, we're going at 671 million miles per hour, and it's going to take me a mere 561 years to arrive at Kepler 186f. So that should be all you need to do for this little exploration for this performance task. If you have any questions, please make sure you send me an email.